All right, we are checking out the Turtle Beach Stealth 700 and Stealth 600. Stealth 600, yeah. Headphones and an ear pad installation. So, these headphones are pretty much exactly the same when it comes to ear pads. You can see the ear pad material is different. However, the actual ear pad installation is the same. You can see on the side, they're very much the same headphone. You know, maybe a little bit thicker over here, but the installation is the same. So I'm just gonna show it on the 700s, and then we will know that that's how we do it on the 600s as well. Okay, so before we actually get to removing the ear pads, we're just gonna look at how they're made. They are using a skirting on the back that is going to slide into this little slot here and hug onto the headphone. It's one of the most common ways ear pads are attached. So that's it, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is remove the ear pads, which is nice and simple. We're just gonna grab here on the side with our thumb and our fingers, and we're just gonna peel it back like that, and it'll just come off. One, and two. All good. So there's actually two ways to install these ear pads. I'm gonna show you both. Now these ear pads are the same, so it doesn't matter which side you put them on. However, obviously you have the logo here, so this is right side up, and then also at the bottom you'll notice there is a harder foam, and there's like a little ledge. That's for people who wear glasses, I believe, and you know that that's the bottom part of the pad, and you're going to be attaching it like so.
If this video is helping you out, Monty the AHG dog wants you to smash that like button and share it with a friend, because this is how he gets more biscuits. Don't forget that 60% of the time, it's a great idea every time to subscribe and hit those bell notifications and stay in the loop with all of our news, reviews, and how-tos.
All right, so the first way is you're going to look at the top right here. This is a little cutout in the plastic frame, and what that's for is to put the ear pad skirting into this little cutout like so. And what you do then is you just rotate, and what that's going to do is feed, that's going to feed the skirting into this slot as you rotate around. You want to go slow. It will get a little bit tougher at certain points, so you might need to grip it like this. Just feed that around, and eventually it just goes straight on like that. And you just center it. Good to go. All right, number two. Find this little slot. Hook our ear pad into it, or our skirting into it. We're just going to rotate. I do find it works best when you grip it and turn it like this. If you're trying to do this, it's gonna like just palming it and twisting it. It's gonna be much harder. All right, well done. Okay, so how we're going to attach the ear pad is pretty straightforward. Just gonna take your one finger, two fingers, whatever you want. You're gonna be going inside the ear pad and up and under, and what you're gonna try and do is basically push up onto this skirting and feed it into this slot while you're doing so. So the way we start is, if you're getting brand new ear pads, you can see on this pad here that there's already like a ledge or a ridge on it that's been done because it's been on the headphones for so long. When you get a new set of ear pads, they're gonna be like flat like that most likely. So you're gonna have to create an edge first. You're also gonna want to possibly stretch it along the sides like this. Just if it's new, it might be a little bit harder or a bit tighter to put on. So once you've stretched it along the way, all the way around, you can also go across. So we're gonna make that ledge. We're gonna stretch it out. Stretch it across. And then we're gonna slide it into the corner and get the whole top in place. And then we're gonna just do this. There you go. All done.